the next plumbing adventure is replacing some old stop and waste valves on an outside shower and on the bib. So CB2 is not here for this adventure because this is all him, but I want to get her done today so I can move on to the next job. So bear with me. We're going to set up underneath and we're going to pro press a couple ball valves on. Here we go. Let the fun begin. CB2 had to go to school. So here we are. I'm going to change a couple ball valves. The first thing we're going to do is shut the water main off. I love crawling. Where's the main? There it is, baby. There it is. Oh, let's shut this off. Here we go, water's off. All right. We having fun yet? We're going to change them once and for all. I want to know what you plumbers think out there, because I've used some ProPress equipment in my time, and we all know I just had a mistake in my ProPress career. I want to know what you guys think of Legend ball valves. I used some stuff in this company before, and that's what I got from the supply house today. And I'm just curious what you think about it. Legend ball valves, going to go 2 1/2-inch Legend ball valves, replacing 2 1/2-inch stop and waste valves. So let's get this done, baby. No tools in the sand, CB. Alright, no bueno on the tools in the sand. #1 rule. Alright, CB. There it is. Bang. The best part about ProPress, as we all know, is you don't have to worry about water. I forgot my rag, forgot sandcloth. So you plumbers out there, you know the deal. When you're stuck, a little sand on the old copper joint will get you good. We want them to turn off and go down. So that's what we'll do. We'll face them this way, on, off. All right, that's what we're gonna do right there. Okay, we'll face them both the same way. 6 1/2, CB. Rigid ProPress. RP 200 works just fine. Little jobs like so. Oh yeah! Let's get her done. All right. Bang. All right. Good enough. We're going to change this one too. I didn't see this one, folks. Now we got to do this one too. All right. I like to loosen this ground clamp, push this back, and put the same valve on both. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Matter of fact, that is what I'm going to do. So let me retool up here. I'm going to need a valve and a T, and I got everything. I don't have a screwdriver, so what I'll do is I'll cut the valve in back here. All right, I'll slide this clamp back over to here. Safety first. Okay, so that's the plan. We're going to keep these on the same valve. Here's the best part. I don't feel like crawling to my truck again. So I'm gonna use the old pliers screwdriver. All right. For when you're in a jam, apprentices, make do. We're gonna put one valve to take care of two, because I know this isn't this valve right here is not a frost-proof bib. There we go. Ah, there we go. All right. All right, done. That's out of there. Can you imagine if I had regular pipe cutters right now? Again, featuring the Milwaukee M12 copper tubing cutter. That's what I'm thinking. This is down in the trenches, baby. What I'm going to do is get rid of this conglomeration of nonsense. I'm going to put a drip tee in here. I got no sand cloth, so we're going to clean it with some grit, some dirt. Get the sand off of it. A little insulation. Make it do. Oh, that's a slip. We don't want that. We want to stop. Oh, that's another slip. Oh. Oh. Alright, here we go. Propress T. Where's my cut man when I need him? CB2. Where are you? Alright now. Oh, 16. 16. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to prefab this because a little bit of a tight quarters. And let me measure this up. I'll tell you what, we're just going to make the pipe. We're just going to make it. Piece 4. I should have my pencil, but of course I forgot it. Now, what I might have to do here is, I might have to do a slip coupling over here for sure. And guess what I do? Remember that slip coupling I was bitching about? Now I need it. Alright, there we go. There we go, boys. Ah, yeah. Alright. Here we go. Let's get this done. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, there it is. Alright. Everything's together, boys. Now, stop coupling. Let's get this done here. Alright. At 90. We prefab when we can, boys. Ain't no sense fighting over the top. I don't know about you, but my damn shoulders are hurting anymore. Alright. Oh, there we go. Alright. There it is. I really need a pencil on this because I'll be honest with you, It's easier. Alright, now let's just mark this joker right here. I need something to mark this way. I'm tired of it. Get this ripped out of my hand here. Again, no pencil, but we're gonna make do. Okay, there it is. There it is right there. Boom. Alright. Let's get it done. Alright. Oh, yeah. Bang. And a bang. It's got some serious pitch out. That's why I got to put a drip tee in, because I know that's a regular hose bib out there that he shuts off every year. And I know for sure that joker would freeze up without no bleeders. So that's why we're putting this back. It's got to be put back. And look at here. I'll put the drain right here. Everything looks nicey nice. Alright. So both valves are going to turn down. Alright. Bang. Uniformly, baby. It's only plumbing, but we like to make it look nice. Alright. This way, this valve shuts off that outside shower and this hose bib, and this is the hot for the outside shower. Let me call it a wrap. Great job for CB2 to do, but he had to go to school. Today is finals day. Here it comes, man. Little rotate to the head, tight spot, done. Now what I should have did, oh, I can see already it's going to be a tough crimp. Right here, we're going to get it in there. There it is. A little tight, but we got her. Same with this one here. All right. And oh. Okay. And last but not least, the slip coupling that I did not want to use. Let's make sure it's all nicey nice. All right. Mark your couplings, boys. Hello?
Linda, I see your van. I can't find you.
Oh, hold on. I'll be right out. I'm under the house.
Oh, shit. Goodbye.
I'll be right there. You gotta like when somebody wants to pay you. I appreciate it. This comes at a perfect opportunity. I'm gonna go get a female adapter and a boiler drain and get done with this and pick up some cash. I did shut off the outside water. The outside shower was on. The outside bib right here, which is on, which is an old boiler drain. Don't forget to hold back, boys. All apprentices. Key right here. Hold back. Don't fall. Oh. Who didn't know that was going to happen? Right? Who didn't know that? We get a little loving right here. Just a little. Not enough. Just a little loving. There it is. Oh, there it is. All right. So we'll drain it from this. I will let the water drain against the footing. There we go. Last crimp, boys. There it is. Now imagine this. Imagine this, you apprentices. And all you old timers know about this. By using the Propress, no sanding. Well, you should sand this. I cheated a little bit with some sand. I actually forgot the sand cloth again. I went out to the truck. No sanding the pipe, no flux in the pipe, no solder, no flame underneath this house, all this flammable stuff. And most importantly, no smell. All us old plumbers have been taking a lot of chemicals from the inhaling of the flux. So who knows what that gave us. You know what I'm saying? All you old timers. Alright, let's turn the water on, boys. I gotta crawl over here. Oh. Someone's been down here playing plumber. Let's turn the water on. Oh, guess what I forgot? I forgot my pliers to check the packing nut. Like I always preach, I forgot my pliers over there. So now I gotta crawl all the hell back. Alright. This is an old gate valve, boys. Alright, now. Alright, cold water's on. Hot water's on. And I did bring down a screwdriver. Oh, I did remember that. To tighten on the ground wire. So here's what I'll do. I'll slide it back just a little bit more. Get away from the valve. Zit, 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 right there. That's a wrap. All right. Are we still having fun? I am, but I'm a little tired. Ah! Where's CB2 when I need him? Ah! Why is that doing that? I'm not happy with that. Oh, of course. The shower head's clogged. There it is, boys. See all the dirt on the screen? No bueno. Flush the screen. Voila. And there goes another satisfied customer.